Today, the gear industry has the most sophisticated supply chain, and it is crucial that every player makes the right decision. The industry is filled with abundant innovation with the smartest minds and copious investment. We, Nandini Gears, ISO certified 9001-2005, have become one of the most prominent world leaders in gear technology and the leading manufacturer. We established in 1996 with a mission to drive innovation in the field of gear and transmission technology. Here's a glimpse of our industry. Nandini Gear is well experienced and highly successful manufacturer of 1 HP 2 paddle aerator, 1 HP 4 paddle aerator, 2 HP 4 paddle aerator, 2 HP 6 paddle aerator and long armed aerator. We ensure that our industry is highly active, bolstering higher productivity and excellent performance. The Freight Consolidated program allows us to safely deliver the products with the speedy delivery schedules. With our advanced logistics solution, we provide a safe, efficient and trustworthy environment. Among our various departments, we have the design and development team who constantly innovate and are the decision makers of our development. Our organization has the best in-field cadre for designing. They are creative and full-fledged innovative developers. Our sales and purchase department never compromise quality of our products. They work round the clock to satisfy the customer needs and persistently exchange feedback for continuous improvement. Our most trusted and well-experienced production department uses compact machinery to manufacture customer products. Every component is produced and processed inside Nandini Gears. The most important asset of our industry is the quality department, which ensures 100% quality at inspection, adhering to ISO 9001-2015 certification. We commit ourselves as a team to manufacture and deliver the right products and services at the right time every time. The team performs individual product inspection, random product inspection and final inspections for the purpose. Our ceaseless efforts on quality led to the Best Aquaculture Equipment Award of 2017, have been recognized by Aqua International Hyderabad 33rd edition. We have a unique and unconventional dispatch team which guarantees excellent packing and ensures shipping of our good product qualities. We provide an advanced logistics and packing solution featuring at least 50,000 square meters transit. Our packing sources avoid the damages to our products while we deliver our products at the right time. We are more than happy to say that we have opened a new plant in Arasur, Coimbatore at around 32,000 square feet, which is the largest space dedicated to float manufacturing. We are proud to say our entire plant now stands at 65,000 square feet, and also take the privilege to say that we are the first full set manufacturers of aerators in India on the aerator world.